Hey, welcome. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn about the self-employed tax credit. It's a really exciting story because so many people missed this program. It's up to 32,220 for the self-employed who worked through 2020 and 2021. Let me share with you a little bit about it because it's officially called the FFCRA. And we're helping small businesses throughout our communities, throughout our neighborhoods. And it's really the backbone of America, the small business owner. And now we can help entrepreneurs as well, anyone with a side hustle. And it's referred to as the FFCRA, as I mentioned, stands for the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. It's the only government program specifically for the self-employed. And it's the best kind of a tax credit because it's a refundable tax credit where the IRS actually issues you a check from the Department of Treasury. And almost everybody with a Schedule C income qualifies to some extent because you only have to show 10 days that you were inconvenienced by COVID for each year. So you may be eligible for up to the full amount, 32,220. You get more if you have children of that amount. Simply enter any disruptions to your business in 2020 and 2021, calculate your potential tax return, you submit your returns, and we do the rest for you. Now, you can qualify because of a quarantine that affected you, childcare, illness, symptoms, or vaccination symptoms. There's a number of different ways to qualify. Now, we still offer the ERC program for business owners who have employees as well, where they can get up to $26,000 per employee. That's another refundable tax credit. And if they have, 50, 100, 200 employees, it can be, a very seven-figure check that they get as a refundable tax credit. There's a short video, we won't show it today, but Kevin O'Leary basically makes the point he's on a mission to help all the small business owners in America take advantage of this program because Congress set the money aside. It's your money, you got to go get it. You got to take advantage of it. We can help you do that. Many CPAs and accountants, almost all missed the FFCRA, didn't file what you need as a 7202 for you to take advantage of this program and get your fair share of the money that Congress set aside. Now, why work with an accounting firm? Because you have a CPA sign your amended returns. You want to make sure an expert's doing this that can provide you the audit protection or does provide audit protection, has errors and omission coverage, and a highly qualified team of professionals, forensic accountants, compliance specialists, tax attorneys, as well as retired IRS agents to ensure you get the maximum and the correct return. We work exclusively with Legacy Tax and Resolution Services. Stefan Brewer has 22 offices across the country. They're the fourth largest tax resolution services company in the United States. And he is absolutely an expert in this field. He's not just a CPA, he's also a tax attorney. And so you get a replicated website, and the person who referred you to this can send you their link. You check your refund amount. It'll give you an estimate of what you're going to get. You go ahead and put in your name, phone, email information, check the box, and they'll send you an engagement letter, and we're off to the races. You're looking at about maybe 8 to 12 weeks to get a direct deposit. Now, there's so much opportunity here as well because hairstylists, real estate agents, insurance agents, there's so many. So there's over 80 million self-employed people in this country, everybody with a side hustle as well. And you can do multiple at the same time. You get your hair cut. There's 10 hairstylists there or barbers. That's 10 grand. If you're at a 4% contract, which is an average, we start at 2 and it goes up as high as 6. But if you're at 4 and they got a $25,000 credit, you'd make $1,000. So if you went to a salon with 10 people, that's 10,000. A loan office with 20 loan officers who want to take advantage of it, that's 20,000. A real estate office, that's 40,000 with 40 realtors. The sky is the limit. Now on ERC, the average refund for the business owner is about 560,000. The average referral commission is 25,000. On the SETC, the self-employed tax credit, FFCRA, it's closer to 1,000. Okay, it could be a little more, could be a little less, depends on each client. You get a world-class back office and they pay you twice a week. It tracks the size and growth of your team and all your commissions and gives you up-to-date information. There's training, 11 live Zooms throughout the week that you can take advantage of. Newsletters go out every day to keep you up to date. You have links, you have all the tools of the modern business. You got these incredible interactive videos that keep the client involved, where they can automatically go right to your replicated websites. We've got really great flyers that you can print out at home or order online. You get 6 replicated websites customized and linked specifically to you. These are some examples of the flyers, and we have these amazing digital agencies that you can take advantage of to have Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, and a fully managed program. This is at cost compared to what you'd pay out in the open market. It's a fraction of the cost if you really want to take advantage of that, supercharge your business. We follow through, help you follow up with transparency on all your clients. You can see exactly where they're at in the process. This is an example of how we track the ERC through the process. We have the top comp plan in the industry. We start at 2, but we'll match your contract if you're already doing ERC, and you can earn an agency partner contract where you're getting 6%. And each month, if you go up to over 2 million in filings of 941 extra ERC, you're actually at 7% for the remainder of the month. And as an agency partner, you get the spread on your agents, and everybody you bring in yourself, you also get a 0.5 point. You get a 0.5% bonus on the people you bring in yourself until you reach agency partner. Now you can promote other agency partners, and you earn 6 generations on other agency partners, but they have to earn that, and that's a big plus. This is the way the insurance industry runs it. I'll tell you what, cut and dry, this is bottom line, the Oklahoma Land Rush on steroids 2023. You need to get on board. There's no cost, there's no licensing, there's no quota, time clock territories, or politics. The sky's the limit in terms of what you can accomplish here with us. There is a deadline, in terms of 3 years since they, originally filed. So we definitely have a sense of urgency for you to get on board and your clients to take advantage. But there's plenty of time left to build wealth for you and your family and help your community in the process. Thank you so much for taking a look at this. Get back together with the person who invited you, and I challenge you to take advantage. Let's move forward together, and we'll help you build a great business. Thank you. Take care.